Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always. So today the profession which we have for our elder generation is crèche. Why crèche? I'm sure you all must have heard about crèche facility which many colleges, universities, schools provide, or many organizations are providing to their employees, right? So these crèche facilities are everywhere where working women are there, and they are nearby your houses also. So crèche facility, because these elders, they just want to play with children, right? They just say that we want grandchildren and with whom we want to play. So if someone is very good with parenting, someone is very good with children, right? So why can't we have crèche facility for them? Why can't we have some people aligned for this particular task, and our elder generation would get benefited also, and they will get employment also, and we will have much more contribution towards economy also, and more job opportunities also. Why we discard them? I have seen in many places, I have seen at many places there are very old cleaners who are almost 75 to 80. If at that age they can do such a task which requires physical strength, why can't they handle children in crèche, right? So, and that is really very good job also. So that's why School for Elders, today's topic is crèche. So yesterday video was a bit heavy, yes, because I just wanted to know that we never question why we are doing this. We never question. So I am 1010% sure by the time we reach the age when our societal programming is over, our own dreams haunt us. I wish I would have done this, because if you will read 7 Regrets of My Life, there is a book named that. So when on their deathbeds, people would have always thought, I wish I could have not married this person. I wish I could have said this to my girlfriend, or I would have married to her. What would have happened? So I don't want on their deathbed they should realize their dreams and they should have said. However, these all diseases are because of this societal programming, because the things which are not resonating with you, you become older, you become redundant, you get diseases, and all the bad things happens when your energies become low. Oh, I'll just give a small example here. You ask Virat Kohli to be a chef. He would never become, because it never resonates with him. You ask Sanjeev Kapoor to be a footballer, right? He would never become, because it never resonated with him. You ask Sabyasachi to be a trainer, maybe he would never become, or counselor, because they never resonate with those professions. Where they resonate, they have just found where they resonate, and they are excelling in those professions, right? So that's the reason they keep on working, and they keep on working till their last breaths, and they never get tired. They would keep themselves engaged in that particular profession only, right? So ask what profession you are resonating with. Okay, if you have for monetary benefits, for financial benefits, you took secure job because societal programming, you have been imposed with marriages, you have been imposed with kids, so now you have to manage everything, right? So of course I agree that you might have taken up certain challenges. Now when everything is done, your kids are on their own, why you are forcing and imposing that societal programming on them? Let them live their life. Just tell them that now our responsibility is over, and now it's your duty to manage yourself when they reach 2021, and we have earned for us, and now we will also go to school. If you want to get married, you can get married if it resonates with you. If you don't want to get married, it's your choice, right? So why can't we leave everyone like that and live peacefully? Just see how beautiful place this world is going to be, and you will never have any regret. I mean, why can't we take this step with our future generation, with our present generation, and we can improve our future generations and our elder ages also, when we will reach that stage. Never forget that today if we are young, or if anyone is kid, they will one day become elder, they will reach that stage, and then you will understand, then you will write down, or you will think all the regrets which you had, the decisions which you have missed making, right? The actions which you have not taken. However, nothing would have happened if you took those actions. Okay, if your parents were forcing you for marriage, if you are not comfortable with that, what will happen? Nothing. Sky will not fall. That one person has not got married. Suppose if you were not comfortable with that particular job, and if you have not taken up that job, and if you decided to do something, maybe you have struggled for 2-3 years. However, 2-3 years, that's it, right? 4 years, 5 years, you would have definitely become successful in your business. Never forget that Edison said that I have discovered 10,000 ways of not manufacturing a bulb, right? People will laugh. People will definitely laugh at your dreams, because they will never believe, because they can't do it. That is their ability. You believed in your dreams. You know what? People have laughed on Wright brothers also, when they decided that they want to fly this metal in the air. People have laughed so much at them. However, in today's time, million flights are flying in the air despite of lockdown. Yes, there are so many flights which are flying across the globe, because 2 people believed in their dream, right? So that's what, my dear friends, my request is, believe in your dream and make them happen, right? हिंदी में एक बात कहना चाहूँगी, इतिहास टकराने वालों का लिखा जाता है, तलवे चाटने वालों का नहीं. So be a revolutionary, be a historian, people who make history, who just don't follow it blindly. So thank you so much. See you. Bye-bye. Till the next video, and keep on sharing and liking the video, and I'm highly grateful for all your likes and for all your comments. Keep on sharing your feedback also, and what type of content you want to watch. Bye bye, take care.